Yeah, I don't remember where I first learned about Proofread Anywhere. I think it was on someone's podcast or something like that, probably. They probably that's where I heard about it. But yeah, there were always the concerns. Like, would I have time to finish? Will I actually find work? Is this another one of those get rich quick schemes that you always hear about? That sort of thing. But at the end of the day, I kind of have to ask myself, like, what do I have to lose? You know, because just the same old working 9 to 5 for the hummingbird. See, this is the cool thing is I could be working right now in my backyard, or anywhere, and just working that whole 9 to 5 thing was kind of like getting to be a bummer, for a boss that was always mad at me for something stupid or whatever, and I could just keep doing that. And what's the point of that? It's not. Now I have like location independence. Really, I've got the freedom to work from wherever I want. Like I sort of have this like office anywhere, which is really cool. Like my office is anywhere. Cause I remember I was in Zion last month, and I was in Grand Canyon last week, and I was working, and I'm going to Sedona next month, and I'll be working there, and so that's pretty cool. Just this idea of having my office anywhere, that's pretty cool, and because you're a lot like me, the errors pop out on menus and books and blogs and stuff that you read. How you always talking about right. So that's the way it is for me, and it's just always I thought, well, why can't I make a living doing this, like just correcting. And then so the idea of how much I love the court system and all that too, and politics, so just to be able to proofread for court reporters, I thought that'd be awesome. And yeah, so why not give it a shot? I know that's the kind of thing that works out for you, so yeah, go for it.